Do you dream of taking control of your hard-earned cash and reaching your financial goals?
Well, dream no more, because today we're going to dive into the depths of the Dave Ramsey envelope system, a revolutionary method for taking charge of your money and making it work for you.
The Dave Ramsey envelope system is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you budget and track your spending in a tangible and organized way. By allocating cash into different envelopes for specific expenses, you'll be able to see where your money is going and make smarter financial decisions.
It's a game-changing way to get a grip on your finances and start taking steps towards financial freedom. So grab your pen and paper and let's get ready to take the reins of our financial futures. How the envelope system works. The Dave Ramsey envelope system is a cash-based system that helps you budget and track your spending in a tangible and organized way. The basic idea is simple. You divide your income into different envelopes, each designated for a specific expense. For example, you might have one envelope for groceries, another for gas, and another for entertainment. Once you've allocated cash into each envelope, you'll be able to see exactly how much money you have available to spend in each category. This will help you to make smarter financial decisions and prevent overspending. By the end of the month, if you have some money left in an envelope, you can roll it over into the next month or allocate it towards a savings goal. The envelope system also encourages you to stick to a budget. Instead of swiping a card or tapping your phone, you are physically handing over cash for every purchase. This can make it easier to see how much money you're spending and to make adjustments as needed. One of the great things about the envelope system is its flexibility. You can adjust the budget and the number of envelopes as needed based on your income and expenses. For example, you might start with just a few envelopes, but as you get more comfortable with the system, you can add more categories. By using the envelope system, you'll be able to see where your money is going and make more informed financial decisions. It's a powerful tool that can help you reach your financial goals and create a more prosperous future. Advantages of the envelope system.
The Dave Ramsey envelope system offers a plethora of benefits that can help you take control of your finances and reach your goals. Here are just a few of the many advantages of using this system.
Increased awareness of spending habits. By allocating cash into different envelopes for specific expenses, you'll be able to see exactly where your money is going. This can help you identify any problem areas and make changes to your spending habits.
It helps prevent overspending.
When you're using cash, it's harder to overspend, as you'll be physically handing over the money for every purchase. This can make it easier to stick to your budget and avoid impulse buys.
Helps reach financial goals faster. The envelope system encourages you to set and stick to a budget, which can help you reach your financial goals faster. It also helps you save money by allocating cash towards savings envelopes and allows you to have a better control of your expenses.
Flexibility.
The envelope system is highly adaptable to your specific needs and circumstances. You can adjust the budget and the number of envelopes as needed based on your income and expenses.
The Dave Ramsey envelope system is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and create a more prosperous future. By using this system, you'll be able to see where your money is going, make smarter financial decisions, and reach your goals faster. It's an easy and effective way to get a grip on your finances and start taking steps towards financial freedom. Tips for implementing the envelope system.
Before we get to that, I would like to introduce the sponsor of this video, the Frugal Living e-books. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life.
From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our e-books via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. Now let's get back into the video.
Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering your finances with the Dave Ramsey envelope system. But before you dive headfirst into cash envelopes, here are some tips to make your implementation as smooth as possible.
Start small and gradually increase budget categories. You don't have to tackle everything at once. Start with a few essential budget categories such as food, housing, and transportation, and then add more as you become more comfortable with the system. Be consistent and stick with it. Like any new habit, the envelope system takes time to master. Be consistent in your efforts and stick with it, even when it feels difficult. In the beginning, it might take some time to adjust, but with consistent efforts, you will see the change.
Be flexible and adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable, and so are your expenses. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget and envelopes as needed. If you find that you're running out of cash in a particular envelope, it might be time to reevaluate your spending habits and make changes.
The envelope system can be a powerful tool for taking control of your finances, but it takes time and effort to master. By starting small, being consistent, and being flexible, you'll be well on your way to creating a more prosperous and financially stable future. And before you know it, you'll be a pro at budgeting and managing your money with the envelope system. Common mistakes and how to avoid them? Even the best laid plans can go awry, and the Dave Ramsey envelope system is no exception. Here are some common mistakes people make when implementing the envelope system and how to avoid them. Not sticking to the budget. The envelope system is designed to help you stick to a budget, but it's easy to get sidetracked. To avoid this, make sure to set realistic budgets for each category and don't be afraid to adjust them as needed. Not being realistic with expenses. It's important to be realistic with your expenses. If you're not, you'll end up running out of cash in certain envelopes, and then you'll be tempted to dip into other envelopes, which can lead to overspending. Mixing money from different envelopes. This is a common mistake and can be hard to avoid. To avoid this, make sure to physically separate the cash from different envelopes and be mindful of the amount you are spending from each of them. Not adjusting the budget as needed. Life is unpredictable, and so are your expenses. Make sure to review your budgets and envelopes regularly and adjust them as needed. Not having a plan for unexpected expenses. Emergencies happen, and it's important to have a plan for them. Make sure to set aside some cash in a separate envelope for unexpected expenses. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to mastering the Dave Ramsey envelope system and taking control of your finances. With a little patience and persistence, you'll be able to budget and track your spending in a way that works for you and your financial goal. How to use the envelope system for saving? We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. The Dave Ramsey envelope system is not just about budgeting. It's also a powerful tool for saving. By allocating cash towards savings envelopes, you'll be able to reach your savings goals faster and create a more prosperous future. Here's how to use the envelope system for saving. Setting specific savings goals. The first step is to set specific savings goals. This could be anything from a down payment on a house, a new car, a vacation, or an emergency fund. Having a specific goal in mind will make it easier to stay motivated and on track. Allocating money towards savings envelopes. Once you have your goals in mind, you'll need to allocate cash towards savings envelopes. This could be a percentage of your income or a set amount each month. The key is to make sure that you're setting aside enough money to reach your goals within a reasonable time frame. Using the envelope system to save for short-term and long-term goals. The envelope system is not just for long-term goals. It's also a great way to save for short-term goals. For example, you could have a separate envelope for a vacation or a special event. Using the envelope system to save for emergency funds. Having an emergency fund is crucial, and the envelope system can help you save for one. By setting aside a specific amount of money each month in a designated envelope, you'll be able to build up your emergency fund faster. Saving money is an essential part of achieving financial freedom, and the envelope system makes it easy and manageable. By setting specific savings goals, allocating money towards savings envelopes, and using the envelope system for both short-term and long-term goals, you'll be able to reach your savings goals faster and create a more secure financial future. How to use the envelope system with credit cards. Credit cards can be a great tool for managing your finances, but they can also lead to unnecessary debt if not used responsibly. The Dave Ramsey envelope system can help you use credit cards in a way that benefits you rather than harms you. Here's how to use the envelope system with credit cards. Using credit cards responsibly. The first step is to use credit cards responsibly. This means only using them for purchases that you can afford to pay off in full each month and avoiding unnecessary credit card debt. Allocating money towards credit card payments. Once you've allocated cash into your different envelopes, make sure to set aside a specific amount for credit card payments. This will help you stay on top of your payments and avoid falling into debt. Paying off credit card balances in full each month. This is key to using credit cards responsibly. By paying off your credit card balances in full each month, you'll avoid interest charges and keep your credit score in good shape. Avoiding unnecessary credit card debt. Credit card debt can add up quickly, so it's important to avoid it as much as possible. By using the envelope system, you'll be able to see exactly how much money you have available for credit card purchases and make smarter financial decisions. Credit cards can be a great tool for managing your finances, but they can also be a source of stress and debt if not used responsibly. By using the envelope system to allocate money towards credit card payments, pay off balances in full each month, and avoid unnecessary credit card debt, you'll be able to use credit cards to your advantage and reach your financial goals faster.
How to use the envelope system with online banking.
In today's digital age, online banking has become a crucial tool for managing our finances. The good news is the Dave Ramsey envelope system can easily be adapted to work with online banking, allowing you to budget and track your spending in both digital and tangible ways.
Here's how to use the envelope system with online banking. Setting up online envelopes. You can set up virtual envelopes on your online banking platform, which can mirror the physical envelopes you use with the envelope system. This will help you keep track of your spending in the digital realm as well. Using online banking tools to track spending. Many online banking platforms offer tools that can help you track your spending, such as budgeting and spending reports. By taking advantage of these tools, you'll be able to see exactly where your money is going and make smarter financial decisions.
Setting up automatic transfers to savings and budget envelopes. You can set up automatic transfers to your savings and budget envelopes, which will help you stay on top of your finances and reach your goals faster.
Using mobile apps to stay on top of your budget. There are many budgeting and personal finance mobile apps available that can help you stay on top of your budget and track your spending.
By using these apps in conjunction with the envelope system and online banking, you'll be able to budget and track your spending in a way that works for you. The envelope system is a powerful tool for budgeting and tracking your spending, and when used in conjunction with online banking, it can be even more effective. By setting up online envelopes, using online banking tools to track spending, setting up automatic transfers, and using mobile apps, you'll be able to budget and track your spending in both digital and tangible ways, creating a more prosperous future. And there you have it, dear money mavens. A comprehensive guide to the Dave Ramsey envelope system and how it can help you take control of your finances and reach your goals. But remember, the envelope system is just one tool in your financial arsenal. It's important to also stay informed and educated about money management and to consult with a financial advisor before making significant changes.